Hello, in this demo video, I'm going to show you how our Revio app works. Revio is the world's first AI studio that allows you to upload any static photo or short 5-second clip and transform it into stunning talking or singing videos. It features realistic emotions, lip syncing, and lifelike movements in any niche and language of your choice. Let's get started. Right inside your dashboard, you're going to see human talking singing, human singing character, talking singing character singing. Let's begin with human talking singing. Click on Create Project. And the first thing you'll need to do is enter your project's name. Next, you can choose your media source. Select from the media library, upload your own custom video, upload your own custom photo. Generate an AI avatar. Let's select a template from the library. Revio offers tons of done-for-you, DFY, stunning templates that you can select and activate instantly. Let's choose this one. The next step is to set the voice. We offer multiple voice settings. Text to speech. Select your preferred language and voice. Input your text here and click Text to Speech. Revio will create the voiceover instantly. Upload custom audio. If you have your own music or audio, you can upload it directly. Record your own voice. Click on Start Recording to capture your voice. Once you're done, click Stop Recording. When you're ready, click on Generate Video to create your talking or singing video. If you'd like to use your own custom video, simply click Upload Video and set the voice. You can also upload a custom image, whether it's a photo of yourself or a character. Click on Choose File. A preview will appear. Select the voice you'd like to use and input your script. Click Generate and the video creation process will begin. To generate an AI avatar, follow these steps. Click on Generate AI Avatar. Specify the details such as age, gender, ethnicity, orientation, pose, style, and avatar prompt. Click Generate. Amazing! The avatar has been generated. Next, select your voice and input the script. Finally, click Generate Talking or Singing Video. For generating human singing, character talking, or character singing, simply follow the same process. Now let's check out some videos we've generated using the Revio software. Amazing! As you can see, Revio is a powerful tool that transforms text, photos, or short clips into viral talking and singing videos. Revio eliminates the need for additional tools. With no API costs, no monthly fees, and lifetime access, it's the only app you'll ever need. The best part? You can export your videos in HD quality without watermarks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you inside. Bye.